I'm running. I'm letting you know that I'm coming. A threat to the game cause I'm stunting. I'm a different stroke, call me drumming. The money I keep on stunting it. Trapping in the game like it's
Good morning, my neighbors!
ready for me. I'm running. I'm letting you know that I'm coming. A threat to the game cause I'm stunting. I'm a different stroke, call me drumming. The money I keep on stunting it. Trapping in the game like it's nothing. So get ready for me.
Welcome to Wake, Bake, and Break. They call me KB. And KB got something to say, man. I got something to say and I got something to show you. Y'all know what that means. But do you know what that is? That is the Peach House. That's the Peach House. The first time the Peach House is being shown on any digital streaming platforms. This is the Peach House, y'all. This is the start of a new life for me and my wife. Me and my wife been blessed enough to purchase this home. And we are going to shoot all of our content based around this purchase. Well, a lot of our content, not all of our content. A lot of our content based around our purchase, our new life. But Wake, Bake, and Break is about KB Michelle putting on, showing up and showing out. I don't know if y'all familiar with the TV series Beef, but Beef is a TV series that's on Netflix, season 1. Started in about 2023. And I will be on season 2. I don't know which episode, but it's just a part of the show, man. It's a part of the KB show, Wake, Bake, and Break. You know, I'm in Hollywood. Been trying to get on and look for my big break myself, so why not? What better way to call the channel but Wake, Bake, and Break? The wake is, you know, the early bird gets the worms. You already know that. I gotta get to it. The bake, that can mean a few things. What you're looking at now is a tiny home and another tiny home. Total of 3 properties. 3 homes on this property. Brand new roof, brand new HVAC. Over 1,200 square feet. Almost an acre of land. Wait till y'all see what this is going to be. Wake, Bake, and Break. We're gonna have so much fun. Man, I just purchased this property with these 2 tiny homes behind the big one, the big house. And I'm trying to figure out what we gonna do with them. What we gonna do, y'all? I'm gonna let y'all help me with that. We also got like I call it the outhouse. It looked like the outhouse from back in the days, but it's actually a storage. It was used as storage, whoever owned it before. But yeah, we just closed on this house yesterday. Literally just closed. And we just got the keys last night. And we just pulled up. So this is gonna be fun, y'all. We got this $1 million view too. We got a $1 million view, y'all. Those are my pavers. Those are my pavers. They trying to get out of here. You know what? Let's go, man. It's the front door. That's the front door to my new home. Now that's $1 million view right there. That's what you call $1 million view. Just to update everybody, KB, the proprietor of Wake, Bake, and Break. And I just want y'all to know there's no delay in my stay. It's just that I had to come back another day. I wasn't feeling well. I'm not 100% now, but I'm back on the line. I'm ready for my child. And I'm ready to get buck wild, Wake, Bake, and Break. Coming live from the headquarters of Wake, Bake, and Break. So blessed to wake up. So blessed to bake up. And definitely blessed. Honestly blessed to have a break, y'all. That's what break mean to me right now. A break. Wake, Bake, and Break. And we're back on. What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Wake, Bake, and Break. If you're here for the first time, man, kicking it with us, welcome. Wake, Bake, and Break. We back on track, chilling on this map. Ready to see who we can give some dap to, some advice, some inspiration at the least, some encouragement. We're here to influence the world in a positive way. I'm here to show you my life as it is now every single day. Blessed. Blessed, blessed, blessed. I just want to thank y'all for coming back, being intrigued, being interested in my content. I'm really new to this channel thing, but I really like it. It's cool. I'm at a really good place in my life. Just bought a house. Got married a few years ago. You know, doing my acting thing. Just scored a role on a film called Beef. I'll be on season 2, and it'll be on Netflix. Coming to you real soon. I'll keep everybody posted on that. But for the time being, I'm just going with the flow, y'all. You know, I wake up to $1 billion view every day. You know.
I'm cut the fuck up like some dope. My shin and shot when I step on the court. I go hard till I make you abort. Suited up in Jamaica, getting married on resort. Letting them know I won't lose. I'm letting them know I won't lose. I'm letting them know I won't lose. I'm letting them know I won't lose. A nigga done paid all his dues. A nigga done paid all his dues. I'm letting them know I won't lose. I'm letting them know I won't lose. I'm letting them know I won't lose. I'm letting
catch y'all on the next one.
We still here, baby.
But welcome.
We still here.
Welcome. Wake, bake, and break. New channel, new show, new flow. And I got something to let all y'all know. The Peach House is in full effect. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Subscribe to this new channel, because it's gonna be fun. Like or subscribe. If you like this video, click that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Wake, bake, and break.